Hi, this is B, a 6-year-old Clyde cross-quarter horse, Paint.
She's here to help us demonstrate our care and management plan for horses.
This is a rug. We use this so it keeps them warm in winter. It's cotton rug, so it helps stop them bleach in summer and it helps keep them clean. Curry comb, hard brush, soft brush, mane, tail and forelock brush, hoof pick.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
This is a horse without a shoe on. As you can see, this is her natural hoof. We have to clean the hoof out so that we make sure there's no rocks, because rocks can cause bruises. Make sure and check there's no abscesses or any holes in her hoof or any infections that she has. So we do this as a general health care. This is a horseshoe. This metal part connects in with nails around to the front of the hoof. This is used for horses that are in a lot of work and don't want to break their hoof apart, or for horses that have problems with their hoof. So today we're talking about feed and what most people will feed their horses. So they'll normally feed things like lucerne, oat and chaff. These are a nice fattener, everyday grain, so it's cut grass for horses. They'll also feed things like oats, especially for energy and race horses, barley, which is normally wet down and it's a fattener. Then you have things just which are actually pre-made, so these just come in a bag from a supplier. And most people will worm their horses, but we actually don't. It's more cost effective, so we use copper, the blue one, and dolomite, the white one, which actually kills intestinal worms and parasites. Now for people that have more athletic horses, which you'll have to go more into detail later, this is a supplement that are already made up that we put in every day. They get fed this twice a day. That horses also get fed roughage, which we'll talk about later, which is hay.
This is hay. And this is pasture. They need to be out here for at least 5 hours a day. This is a water trough. It is essential that horses always have access to fresh, clean water.
Horses need exercise to keep fit and healthy, just like any human or animal. There are different types of exercise you can do, such as dressage, jumping, eventing, racing, trail riding, endurance, barrel racing, and cow cutting.
This is the wash bay. This is where we clean our horses, especially after exercise.
Here is a stable block. We have 4 stables in here. Each stable will house an individual horse. They can either be used for keeping them away from severe weather conditions or different types of weather conditions. Can also be used if they have an injury, if they're foaling down, or for competition homes if they have quite valuable horses. Each horse needs an individual stable. Thus, here you can see they have a stable with a nice soft sawdust bedding. It can also be a bark chip bedding. We also have a yard attached to give them a bit more room and a bit more flexibility so they don't feel so enclosed. Every yard will have an automatic water feeder to give them an endless supply of water, because they do drink a lot and they all have different requirements. We also have Lara here, who is doing a daily job that always needs to be done, which is cleaning up the manure and the urine of the horse. This needs to be done to keep the yard nice and clean, so it is sanitary for the horse.
This is a float. This is used for the transport of the horses to different places, such as a show or to the vet hospital. It's got different compartments, can fit multiple horses, and a little kitchen area in the back if you need to camp out. It is common for horses to get scratches, just like Alfie has on his leg here. We would treat it with disinfectant, chlorhexidine, and an antibiotic cream called Panaderm.